Hi, I'm Akshay Michandani.
Hi, I'm Zinie Sangvi.
We both are Instagram content creators and we have been dating since a while.
And yes, since 6 days of hardcore discussion, we finally have it. The iPhone 17 Pro Max.
So I'm a techie who loves digging into details.
And I'm just an aesthetic girlie who loves to have the best stuff. And this is basically an extension of myself.
So today we're going to be comparing the iPhone 17 Pro Maxes, and for whom does it make more sense? An influencer who loves tech and who loves digging into the nuances of the Pro, or for someone who loves to get the best content and wants to look the best for you guys? We're going to be using the poo-poo meter.
So basically, we're going to be discussing few points about the phones, and whoever loses gets most amount of poop.
So let's talk about colors. I've gone for the deep blue and Zinie's gone for the cosmic orange. So the reason why I went for the deep blue is because it is more of a subtle and yet elegant color. I mean, it speaks quite luxury as compared to something like the bright orange over here. Because I think once maybe this color is a year old and we come up with a new hero color next year, this color might just look too subtle and I can still use this phone for more than 2 years.
Did I just hear subtle? Firstly, this color is nothing but subtle, yet I would totally disagree with your comments about, this not being the it color. Because trust me, this is a game changer right here. Being content creators, I think this color just speaks creative, standing out, and it's a head turner. So I basically think that you need to rethink your choice.
Agree with you. Being content creators, it makes sense to have something that pops and makes you stand out.
See, how do I look?
You don't need the phone to look gorgeous, but you're right.
So, who loses? Take the poop.
Round one goes to Zinie.
This camera, it's definitely a game changer for me. I don't know about him, he has too many technical details, but for me, it's about the front camera. Guys, look at the clarity. It's just too detailed. It's easy for me to, vlog in horizontal, vertical. It's just perfect. I know now I don't need him to take my pictures. I can be self-sufficient. What do you think?
What you said made sense, but that would also make sense for someone using an iPhone 12. The reason why you get the iPhone 17 Pro Max is because of the variety of cameras you get in it. Right from a 13mm lens to a 28mm to a 35mm to a 50mm to even a 100mm. The focal length is crazy. Being a pro user, I can also shoot in log now. I can also shoot in RAW. It also has a triple 48 megapixel setup now. Like even the main camera, the ultra wide camera, and now the telephoto lens, the pictures are gonna come really, really sharp. I don't need to worry to just be always moving in or going in just to get the right details. It's simply amazing. The limit is endless. You can actually shoot a movie from this phone. That's the reason being a Pro Max user, you gotta be a pro content creator and gotta use the pro features. So that's my reason to get the camera.
After hearing all of this, I think I have to take one for the team. I lose.
Let's talk about weight. The phone is completely made of a single aluminum unibody, hence it feels much more balanced and easy to hold as compared to the stainless steel what I was using in my previous phone. And what do you think about the weight?
Weight almost I think is very similar to the previous one because I was using the 15 Pro. The thing is, this, even though it looks a little bulky, I just think the curved edges as compared to my previous phone which had really sharp edges, this is easier to hold, and I just think the functionality of this phone is quite easier.
And I think you won't drop your phone as much as compared to the previous one.
That's still gonna happen. I can't do anything. I'm clumsy.
She had maybe 5-7 scratches, cracks, not scratches, on her old phone.
Can't blame myself.
And I'm actually getting scared right now that she's holding the phone without her cover and a tempered glass right now.
So who wins this round now?
I think it's definitely you, and I'll just take the Mr. Poo-Poo with me. Because what reasoning you gave over here regarding the grip and non-slipping from your hand makes sense with the curved edges, and Mr. Poo-Poo is with me. Now let's talk about performance. Okay, so the reason why I feel the 17 Pro Max makes a lot of sense is because of the A19 Pro chip. It's super fast, it gets a 12 GB RAM, and all of this is packed with a super battery, and it also comes with a vapor chamber so it doesn't heat up, which was a major issue with me and with all the iPhone users in the past. Plus, it has some amazing gaming capabilities, ray tracing and all. This phone is packed with performance and I can't wait to explore every bit of it. So what do you have to say about the performance?
I'm just gonna take this with me because I don't have much to say.
Mr. Poo is gone already.
The only thing I care about is that the battery is great and the fact that it doesn't lag as compared to my previous phone. And the heat up, obviously. That's all.
Makes sense. The 17 Pro Max, starting from 256 GB, is priced at 1,49,000 in India. And it goes all the way up to 2,30,000 for a 2 TB model. I mean, if you're breaking the bank of 2 lakhs on a phone, it doesn't really make too much sense, to be honest. Like, it's not the greatest value proposition for an iPhone alone. I mean, you can get a Mac in that price and a well-loaded Mac. So for me, it doesn't really make sense and it doesn't justify the value proposition. What do you think?
I would agree, for him it doesn't. But for me, because I don't buy any other gadgets, this is my only gadget that I use. I work from here, I shoot from this phone, everything. So this is a complete deal for me. But exactly, like he said, for people who use GoPros, Meta glasses or things like that you do, it just doesn't make sense because you're ending up spending so much.
So on that note, I think I should take Mr. Poo Poo with me. But again, if I was upgrading from an iPhone 15 Pro Max, I wouldn't have gone to a 17 Pro Max already. And that's our next point.
From 17 Pro Max to our older phones. He was using the 14 Pro Max, I was using the 15 Pro Max. This phone in general is very delicate. Instantly in 3 months, I got a cosmetic scratch for me to
It was supposed to be one of the most sturdy phones, having titanium and having Gorilla Glass updated and everything. But I feel like somewhere the 15 Pro Max fell short.
The looks also, obviously, and the color specifically. But yeah, so not a very big change, but yes, definitely the scratch was the main thing for me.
You saw that. My reason is right at the back. The battery is really bad right now. It's become pretty old. I don't have a USB-C. This has 6 GB of RAM versus 12 GB of RAM over here. It makes more sense because even though I have an entire setup for editing, but sometimes on the go you need that high performance as compared to a phone which is almost 3 years old now, which is actually 3 years old
I've actually seen you struggle a lot with this phone and I don't blame him. It's high time he changed. I lose.
Mr. Poo Poo is back to Zinie. So do watch this video till the end because we are heating up on the race. It's 3-3 right now and you guys might have to just decide that who wins in the end. So let's go to point number 7.
Now let's get to the last point. Who should buy the 17 Pro Max?
I think you should speak from the influencer's perspective or a creator's perspective.
That's what I was going to do. Anyone who is looking at something, who's starting off their career in content creation, this is going to be a game changer. It could be on YouTube, Instagram, anything. You guys can get that clarity, that quality content which actually gets viral on internet. You just have to be consistent, know all the detail bit that he's explained about using those cameras in the right way, and trust me, this is a good phone. I think people who are looking at one-stop destination, this one's for you.
What you said made sense for a content creator or an influencer's perspective, but coming down to a regular user of an iPhone, I think you can just get off with the iPhone 17 because it has pretty much everything. Like the Pro Motion display is now there, the improved selfie camera is there, a good battery life is also now there. So an iPhone 17 just makes more sense because you're just getting everything besides that one extra camera which you wouldn't even use. For a regular user, I think the iPhone 17 is the best phone. And coming down to that, I think my point makes more sense. So you should keep Mr. Poo Poo with you.
I know I'm winning this.
No, I mean, I'm
winning this. Hello,
no,
bro.
Obviously, my point makes more sense.
Not at all.
Yes, absolutely.
Hello, that's with you.
No, it's not.
Guys,
okay, guys,
decide.
You guys need to decide. Let us know in the comments. What do you all think? Who should win this? Definitely not me. But yeah, do like the video, subscribe, follow, and we'll see you in the next one. This is Nifty Stretch and Baron in a Candle, signing off.